around the park, which has been done by the Yarn Bombers group of Rushden, and they are absolutely fabulous, so do take a look. Last but by no means least, please drink plenty of water, use your sun cream to stop you from burning, and wear a hat if you have one. So have a great day, and enjoy yourselves. Thank you very much.
Oh, yes, the speaker's turned down, so I'm not hearing things, am I? I know.
Size it up. Pretty boy, he's a pretty boy then. He's having
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 25th Party in the Park here in Rushden. Thank you very much to Town Mayor Councillor Jack Cook for the official opening, and to her councillors, which is Councillor Barbara Jenny. And also, Barbara, we'd like to congratulate you on your award of the British Empire Medal in King Charles's birthday honours. Well done, congratulations.
not real.
So what have we got coming up for you today? Well, the fun starts at 1:15 with the Stanage stunt team who have got quad bikes and motorbikes and a very high platform to the top of the arena there. Something's going to happen up there. Saw a big inflatable before, so whether or not that
Baby. Okay, ready? Ready?
That's a baby barn on this side and a baby boobok on the other. It's an Australian, New Zealand, Indonesian. This one's 6 weeks, that one's 8 weeks, about 4 weeks, sorry. 4 weeks. This one, the little one, the other side. This is 6 weeks. I'm just trying to sit on them. Sorry, sir.